I'm Sally Atherton. I'm the Executive Director of ARVO, which is the Association for Research in Vision and Ophthalmology. And I have the privilege of attending the meeting here this week to welcome the Colombian chapter of ARVO. We have several international chapters. I believe the number is around 11. And each of the chapters, there are several here in South America, but the Colombia chapter, or what's being called CARVO, for C-A-R-V-O, is the newest chapter. What I'm going to be talking about tomorrow afternoon in my presentation, this is a research organization, and what I'm going to be talking about at the presentation tomorrow is I'm going to be talking about the Association for Research in Vision and Ophthalmology. Who we are. We have about 13,000 members in about 80 different countries. We publish 3 different journals, and we have a lot of activities. I'm going to be publicizing some of the activities at the meeting, which will be in Seattle in the first week in May. I think the meeting actually starts on Sunday I think it's the 5th, but I'm not sure, of May, and goes through Thursday. It's in Seattle this year. This is the first time that ARVO has moved in 20 years. We've been in Fort Lauderdale, and this will be a new venue for ARVO, a much bigger venue with a lot more flexibility. And so I'm going to be talking a little bit about what's going to be going on at the meeting, and then I'm going to be talking to the folks during the session about what the CARVO is going to be doing, and what it means to be a chapter of ARVO. What else? That sort of summarizes what I'm going to be talking about and what ARVO can do to help the chapters. For example, by providing funds for travel grants. We have an international chapter forum, or a council that the presidents of the councils get together, or representatives from the individual councils of the chapters get together and discuss some of the issues and what they can do. Being a chapter requires that you have a research meeting, at least one research meeting during the year, and so that's CARVO will be doing their first research meeting during this coming year. And usually it is focused on research and tries to get the young people involved, or the younger, what we call the members in training. Those could be residents in ophthalmology, or they may be PhD students. They could be students at various levels that are doing research in the eye. It doesn't have to be necessarily bench research. It could be clinical research, and could also be epidemiologic research.